We had a session from Rahul Kapoor Jain. It was very, very exciting and very, very enlightening session. Lot of energy, lot of power, lot of ideas backed by science and of course Indian literature. And you can see the whole kind of, I think, atmosphere. People were very happy and thrilled. And I think it was an amazing session.
My question to you is, whatever you gave me the third time, why didn't you give me that the first time? What was the difference the first and the third time? The promised gift, look at that. You know, when we talk about psychology, we call this motivation. And what you call motivation, I call that manipulation. Think about it, a guy who doesn't know you, a stranger, who just comes in here and he takes your performance from here to here in less than 60 seconds. Wow, that's amazing. Rahul, that means to you must be really good in your job. No, that's dangerous. You know why? The danger is that the key to your motivation was in my hands. The key to your motivation was in my hands. So this is not motivation. This is what I call manipulation. And who has the key to this? Me, a stranger. He has the key to your inner potential. Now that can be really super dangerous. There's a tremendous amount of spiritual content that's available in Indian Shastras that we guys don't understand. What I've done in the last 21 years of my life is to understand those Shastras. Figure out if we can try and get some psychology attached to that and then get the science of that. Once you do that, you have a terrific combination of science, psychology, and spirituality. And I'm going to show you exactly what that can do to your lives today. How different we can try and think and be. And ladies and gentlemen, having started, I've already showed you that you had tremendous potential. You didn't use it until something happened from outside. This is a gift worth 100 rupees. You see how cheap is motivation? 21 years of my work, I've worked with some of the most prolific human beings in the world. Dr. Abdul Kalam, Sachin Tendulkar, Shah Rukh Khan, Dhoni, Kohli, Formula 1 drivers, Tim Sebastian from BBC World. And every time I meet these amazingly successful people, I have one question to ask them, कि भैया आप ऐसा क्या करते हैं जो दूसरे नहीं करते हैं? There must be something you're doing that the others don't do, which is why you have this incredible results. And guess what? Not even once I've heard from people, which says, motivation works. If motivation doesn't work, then what works? Why doesn't motivation work? I'll tell you why. Motivation doesn't work because it comes from outside. It comes, pushes you up. It goes, pushes you down. Comes up, pushes you up. Goes, pushes you down. Which means to say it is inconsistent. And whatever is inconsistent can't get you consistent results. What works? Inspiration. Where does inspiration come from? Inspiration, that which comes from within you. You control that. Motivation, somebody else is controlling. Inspiration, you control. And ladies and gentlemen, whatever you control can give you consistent result. My name is Rahul Kapoor. Normally these sessions for about 90 minutes. I'm over here, I've spoken for about 5 minutes. If I made sense now, then you can clap and welcome me like you mean it. Come on.
It was amazing to attend the today's session. It means I could learn so many things which unconsciously we avoid and try to not achieve our own goals. It means creating the awareness about ourselves, seeing what are the strengths we have and how we can accomplish our goal.
Rahul Kapoor is a fantastic speaker, par excellence, and he has left some lot of things, small things, but one big thing he left with me is that I was not knowing the difference between what makes Amitabh Bachchan or Mahatma Gandhi a Mahatma, and the constant, consistent commitment to a purpose in life takes you very far. And I have been experiencing this, but I didn't know how to put it. But he has convinced me this is the way, and I'm very, very thankful for that, driving that message in me.